So what is the fair amount? Like if I was going to sell my house, obviously it's because I'm trying to get money out of it. How much
Mhm.
money is a fair price to say like, hey, spend this much money on your house, getting your house ready to sell? And if you spend, I don't know, 500 bucks or 5,000 bucks, are you going to make the money back out of it when you go to sell your house?
Of course, depending on the size of the home and the type of finishes in the home and the age of the home, I would say it would be reasonable to expect to spend 500 to 1,000 on those repairs to get the home ready. And that would include some exterior repairs too. If you needed to replace any guttering or downspouts, if you need to have your HVAC system, have some maintenance done on that. Most of the interior repairs are going to be fairly inexpensive unless you need to do something a little bit bigger, like replacing a garage door opener, replacing a microwave, replacing some ceiling fans, that sort of thing. But don't be shocked at 500 to $1,000.
And so 500 to $1,000, is that before I get the realtor involved? And if the realtor comes and looks at the repairs that I've done, and let's say that I've already spent $1,000, and then they give me another list or this list that you mentioned, could I then be expected to spend more money on top of that? Or is that like, do I just say, oh, hey, I already spent my $1,000. Tough luck. That's as far as we go. Like, am I allowed to do that?
So repairs are all negotiable. So I come into a home that's been very well maintained and I make some very small suggestions for repairs. That's not going to cost a lot of money. Maybe just, replacing a light fixture that's not working, something like that. But then there are homes that have a lot of age on them. Maybe the folks have lived there for 30, 40 plus years. They're used to everything. They haven't made any repairs. It's going to be different scenarios. So that newer, well-maintained home, they make some repairs. A buyer comes in, they see a few things on the inspection list, then the seller is very likely to make those repairs. An older home, it may be a situation where the seller is saying, I'm going to sell this home as is. I'm not going to make any of the repairs, but that's going to be reflected in the price. So
Mhm.
it's really situational. Some folks just don't have the money up front to make those repairs. So they're going to have that reflected in the price and price it accordingly. And the realtor will help you with that. They'll tell you what similar homes in your area have been selling for. And if yours is above average, you can ask more than that. If it needs a lot of repairs, then you're probably going to price it with that in mind if you're not willing to make any of those repairs or able to make any of those repairs. So it's really situational.